Welcome. This is an introductory video to the Comprehend C++ application. I'm an AI-generated voice, and my name is P26. Let me take you through the web application designed for your learning of C++. What you see on the screen now is the homepage of the website. This is what you will see when you first visit the website. In the middle of the screen, there are 3 different activities for you to choose from. The right tab of the homepage brings you to the online IDE, which allows you to write and run C++ code. You can compile and run the code by clicking on the blue Compile button on the bottom right. Once you do, the output will be generated on the bottom. The first line is always a short summary of the result, and there are 2 outputs shown. The first is the standard output, which is the where the output of any print statements you write will be displayed. The second output is the standard error output, which is where any errors will be shown. Moving back to the homepage, the next possible activity is the guided tutorial segment, where we have created a series of tutorials to help you to learn C++ anew. This is the tutorial list page, and you can click on any tutorial to start it. I recommend that you start from the very beginning, although if you are familiar with some of the concepts here, you can choose to either skim through the material or skip it entirely. If you have logged in, your progress will be tracked as you complete the tutorials. This is the very first tutorial. The content is organized in a notebook format with contents divided into cells. The notebooks have integrated code editors too. There will usually be code in them, so feel free to run the code or modify it as you see fit. The code editors have file bars, and you can create a file and switch between the files you have created by clicking on the file names. File names must end in either .cpp or .h. On the top right of the website, there are the Login and Create Account buttons. It is recommended that you log in to track your progress through the tutorials. Additionally, to try the interactive game, you must be logged in. This is the Create Account page, and you simply have to create a username and click the Create Account button. If the username already exists, choose another one and create your account. Next up, I'll show you the challenge activity, which we call Coding Conundrum. When you start the activity, you will join a global room that all other players will join as well. If a round has not started, you or any of the other players in the room can click on the Start New Round button, which will initiate the generation of a prompt by ChatGPT. Once the round has started, it will be displayed on the left side of the page, and you should do your best to write code to fulfill the prompt. You can click the Evaluate Code button on the right side of the screen to send your code for evaluation, although be aware, you can only click the button once. Your code will be evaluated by ChatGPT, and it should give you an overall score for your code too. I hope you enjoy this application, and best of luck for your upcoming finals.